Hi. My name is Dalton, and we mingle in some old trucks around here at our shop, and I'm going to show you a couple of what we got today. Some old cars and trucks. I'll take it right here. So we have this 1973 F100 I just bought. We're going to be working on that first, actually. I don't know if this will be an introduction video or with this, but that's one of the things we're working on right now. Then we have this undercover right here. That is a 1968 Camaro my dad is building as a drag car to look like his dad's. That's sitting right up here. So that's pretty cool. That's from the early 70s. He had a Gulf station. So we're gonna be doing that too. So here, I'll take you out here to our other stuff. So here we have my dad's 1978 C10 Bonanza. It's a real nice long bed truck. We've had this for a few months now. We're doing some work to it right now, but it's a good little truck. Got a 350 with a 350 turbo automatic. We have the grill and everything. We just had to take it out. We're fixing the AC on it. So it's a good little truck. I drive it quite a bit to school and work. So then we have this 1965 C10 short bed. It has a 350 with a kind of a built motor with a 5-speed in it. And then this one's our longest project. It's actually my brother's. He's the main one. That's his. So it doesn't get worked on too much. And then this right here is my 1973 C30 fire truck, and we drive this thing everywhere. We've had this for about 3 years now, and it's just a great truck. When we picked this thing up, it had about 13,000 miles on it, and we've probably put about 7,000 miles on it. And it's full of tools and all kinds of stuff. We've driven it everywhere. We got a generator, gas, spares, but it's a really nice truck. You can see rockers are in great shape. Interior, we redid it when we got it. There's a few things in here we've been working on. I gotta put some new door seals in, but it's a really nice truck. And then right there, I'll take you around. This right here. So we've taken this thing on 3 GM tailgate tours, and what a GM tailgate tour is like a hot rod power tour. It's a week-long trip, 5 different cities in a week. You can see there. So the first one was in 2024, and they're all in March around spring break. And we went to those 5 cities right there. And then the second one was in 25. We were in the Smokies pretty much. And then this one just a few months ago, we went on, and it was along the coast. So about average of 1,500 miles each. So we've done all 3 of them, and we'll do the next ones that are coming up next year. And they've been a lot of fun. And in this thing, which is crazy, 50-year-old truck, 1 ton, and it's a fire truck. But we've had a lot of fun with it, and it's just a good running truck. It's got a 350 with a 4-speed granny low gear. And we went and kind of repainted the motor back Chevy orange, cleaned it up underneath here. So it's pretty nice. It's a good running truck. Let's see. This truck originally had like a 2-foot bumper that came out with a water pump that was crank driven, but we got that bumper for it. I'll put a picture up of what it looked like when we got it. But we've had it for 3 years now, and everything works. Sirens work, reel does. We don't have a water pump for it, but I think that's one thing we're gonna do. I picked these simulators up for it a few years after we got it. I really like them. They're not factory, of course, but I like the look of them. They're the same kind of era. So yeah, it's a 73 model. And I've pretty much tried to keep it original. We lowered it a little bit, put a sway bar in the front. And I'll tell you what, when we first got it, it felt like it was gonna flip over every time you turned. It was so top heavy. But yeah, it's a good little truck. We do a lot with it. So then the Bonanza again. We call it the OT, stands for other truck. Then over here, we have this 1979 Firebird Trans Am that is mine, and it's a good little car right here. We just finished putting a Pontiac 350 in it from out of a 1969 Firebird, so it's pretty sweet. We still working out a few issues with it. It needs a fuel pump and everything, but it's a good running car. Got a lot more power. Had a 301 in it, and so it's a nice little upgrade. We did the interior in it, fixed it up, so it's pretty nice. Got just a 350 turbo automatic. But yeah, it's a good running car. I did the snowflake wheels on it, fixed those up. They look really good. And then we painted it this satin black. When we picked it up, it was just a in primer. They were gonna, whoever had it before us was gonna paint it, but didn't get to it. So pretty cool. Reed up with Smokey and the Bandit, so it's a really fun car. So that's about it right now, what we got working on. There's some other projects that we have at another place, but they're in a lot worse shape. But this is what we're working on mainly right now. And so yeah, that's what we got going. So thanks. My name is Dalton, and this is my 1973 F100, and we're gonna give her a bath today and a little cleanup. So we'll take a walk around here. It's a green, and we actually have all the hubcaps. We're gonna clean the bed out in just a little bit. Pretty clean. We picked it up just the other day. It's got a 301 V8. The interior's pretty nice. It needs cleaned up too. Smells like candy and rats in there. There's the motor. Needs cleaned up just like everything else. Looks pretty decent. So we're gonna give her a little wash.
There's a millimeter casing. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of bullet casing. Yeah. Oh, and a bike chain. Yeah, got shot don't like cocaine. They like to Where's that chain right there? Yeah. This one's like this. Oh yeah. Looks good. Look at it.
Alright, now we're gonna hit the interior. Get all this junk out of here. Here's the said hubcap. Clean those up and use them. being over 50 years old, I don't think that's too bad. Get up in there. Yeah, so fixable. Do some self tappers or something. Probably no good. Yeah. The seat, probably put an Indian blanket over it, a Mexican blanket. There's a lever over there. Can you see if you can pull it? It's on the seat. We'll push the seat forward. It's either on the side or on the front.
There it is.
There might be one to flip it.
There it is.
Is there something to flip this forward? It should be on the thing. Maybe. Yeah, this thing. Forward.
Oh, there it is.
So we got a little speaker back here. That's interesting. Another brake. Make a brake fluid. Use that. Is that even wired up? No. We'll save that. See. Do anything. What a mess. We got the vacuum now. we're gonna clean these hubcaps up now. So we're gonna take a Scotch-Brite. We're gonna wet it. Scrub it down. Does that look good on? Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, look at that. We'll be right back. Well, here we have it, all polished up. They look really good. That one, unfortunately, the thing fell out of it, so we'll try and glue that together, but we're gonna put it on the truck now, so let's bring them over here. There we go. Boy, don't that look good. There we go. Like I said, we'll fix this one later on. Good enough. So we're back. We just got this Ford washed last week. Had to take a break for some wisdom teeth getting out. And she really cleaned up real good. Looks good. Got some new taillights we're gonna put in just a little bit. These right here. All these caps look really good. All right. We got some Autolite 45s we're gonna put in it. We took the spark plugs, one of them out, put it back in. It's running pretty rough, and I remember this one was pretty black. I'm gonna take it out. Let's see. You can see right there. Pretty bad. Pretty dark. Ones right here look a lot better. Wait a minute, those are not going to fit. Oh, okay. So it turns out these are from this motor is not a 73 model like the truck is, because this is what calls for, and this is the spark plug that was in it. A lot smaller. So we're gonna have to do some research here in just a minute. Okay, so we took these out, and I had a pair of Autolite 45s that was for a 73 302, which I don't know if this is not a 73 302 then, because they didn't fit, and it's something like this. And I happen to have only 7 of these old Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs right here. So we're going to change them out, and we're going to see how that does. We'll just clean up one of these until I can get another one of these. Alright, we're going to take the rest of these out now. Probably going to have to change the condenser. And I got a coil I found we can change. Oh, let me get a step. Okay, I got my step now. And I don't think I went too much over what we did to this thing. We picked it up 2 weeks ago and picked it up, got a pretty decent deal on it. It was running when we picked it up. we messed with the time a little bit. Now it doesn't want to run. Probably shouldn't have done that, but it needs a tune-up is what it needs right here. That's what we're going to give it. Take all these out. And we usually fool around with GM stuff, but we don't mind a Ford every once in a while. Yeah, that don't look the greatest. How are we giving it these new ones? Dang. Maybe all right here. Get a little closer. That's the nice thing about these old trucks. You can get down in the motor bay. Oh yeah. This is comfortable right here. Oh dang. Whew. Again, not looking very hot. Okay, so I got all the spark plugs in and I figured out the wires. So now we're gonna go to the other side, change them spark plugs, clean that one up, and we'll clean all this up in a little bit. Let's just get it running right. Again, it's terrible. This one out. Jeez. We need these changed out. Got these guys cleaned up. A little better than they was. It'll work until we get some other ones. Alright, there's all 6 new spark plugs and 2 nice ones. 2 new fresh ones. Found this guy right here. MSD Blaster 2. Let's see what it can do for us. That'll hold us for now. Underneath the cap right here looks pretty good. We got a new one of these to put in. So let me go get that. All right, so we got a new condenser on, What else was it? We put
Points.
Points on.
Coil.
Set that. New coil. New spark plugs. 6 new spark plugs and 2 remanufactured ones. And then we're gonna try it.
Remove it, timing. Try that.
Ready?
Yeah.
That works.
Try it. Hold on. Go ahead. Let's put the battery charger on.
Ready?
Yep. Try it.
Take it around. Okay. So we pulled it in the shop now. It kind of runs. It needs some plug wires to help it out. But I got some new lights right here we can change out. Okay, so I got new tail light, new marker lights here to change out. We got it halfway running. We're gonna run and get some plug wires here in just a minute. So I think it's misfiring, and it might be our problem. Oh, there it went. Boy, don't that look good. Okay, so we got this taillight in. I might have to take it back out and clean where the bulb goes in, because it's not, I gotta get something to do that. And then we're gonna change these out, and I'm gonna do the other ones, and then we'll come back to this. Okay, change this out. To break it, but you're spinning. It's pretty gross. Lostness. Yeah. That would be your turn brake. And this should be just a running light. Let's see what works and doesn't. Okay, so the running light works. Should be this guy. Bulb looks fine. Could be something in the steering column. It's kind of loose. Fortunately, I don't have another 1157 on us. I have two new 1156s, so right there. So I'll get another one. Do that later. We'll go to the other side now. Okay, so we're gonna be waiting on them bolts for the rear tail lights. So we're gonna clean this up. We got some wires, a cap, and went ahead and got a rotor. So we'll put that on, hopefully get whatever misfiring it's doing good. And then I need to take my Kroll here, spray down the donut gaskets on the end of the manifold. There, can't really see them, but right there. That's leaking pretty bad. We got a set to put on there. We need to try. Where's this one? Oh, it's down there. Maybe that'll get into it. And then I have some lowering shackles, so go ahead and put some on these shackles right here. There we go. That's gonna look good lowered. It needs it. It's sitting up pretty high in the rear. Perfect. The plug wires and vacuum all this acorns and junk out. Okay, now we got the vacuum hooked in, so we're back. Okay, we got our new rotor here put on, just like that. That's, yeah. That looks really nice. Right on there. Right there. I'm gonna try that without having to replace that right now. Better go ahead and replace that. I'll be right back. This is what I like right here. Doing this right. Took and made new wire, heat wrap, reuse this guy. Looks really good. I'm gonna put it on right now. Okay, got my cap back on. Tighten it down. Screwdriver. Pliers, ran my new wire. It's all good to go. It's good. It's nice. Number one out right here. And it's really short, so whatever matches. This is number one. Right here. Be number one. We're gonna take our new number one. Take it right here. Put it on. And then feed it right there. One spot. There we go. So we're gonna do it for the rest of them. We'll be right back. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's gonna be done. And there we go. Look at that. I'm pretty happy with it, but it could probably use some fine tuning, which I mean the motor's ugly anyhow, but it's all right. Got fuel line ran. I was gonna make it all rubber, but I didn't have a fuel line cutter that I could find, so this will work for now. A new fuel filter. It's a little further away from the fan now. What else did we do? So all of them are good. Got them ran kind of how I like it. I got the battery held down. I did a new ground cable down to the motor. It was the old one. It was pretty rough. You can see, pretty rough. It was all busted up on here. Cool. I went ahead and added a new line right there. Did that, heat shrink and whatnot, and then got that put on. So I think we're good to go ahead and try and crank it up. I'm gonna clean up the motor bay and we'll get it cranked up, and hopefully it's running a little better. So we got it. We got new plugs, new spark plugs, new coil, rewire, new condenser, points, rotor, cap, ran a new fuel filter, battery ground. So let's try it out. There's fuel in there. Try that. Something's moving in that cap. A weird sound. this. Something is moving in here. It's not happy. It's hitting. You know what? I wonder if it's hitting this condenser. That rotate. Let me see. Right here, it kind of looks like maybe the condenser is hitting this. I'm not sure. Let me take a look here. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen this guy right here. See if we can't scoot the condenser over. I bet that's what it was, cause that rotate. I think that rotates right there. Look that back. See the condenser was right up next to that, so I think that might be what it was. Tighten that down. Try it. Yeah, that rotates. So I bet that's what it was. All right, let's try it. Put the cap back on. All right. Now we're gonna try it again. Move the time a little bit to get it started.
He could try to fool that exhaust. That sounds pretty good.
Yeah. We just finished up. We got it running good. Plugs, did all kinds of stuff with the motor. Got it running good, like I said. And we got to fix next time we're going to fix the donut gasket there and the other one. And maybe get an exhaust done on it. Because right now it's just got a glass pack, single exhaust right there. And so we did that. We got it washed. You know, we cleaned out the interior a little bit. We're gonna do some more work in here, put a headliner in it. I think I found a seat on Marketplace we're gonna go get, and then maybe put a cover on it that matches the interior. We're gonna clean that up next time, the dash and lenses and stuff. And next episode, we're gonna, these letters here, I have some vinyl, some like a matte gray kind of vinyl that'll look good on there. Then we'll finish the taillights. Maybe fix the bumper. I don't know. I know it needs fixed, but we'll do that eventually. Yeah, it's a good little truck. We're gonna keep working on it. Thanks for watching. If you want, like, subscribe. I'm gonna call this the end of this one. So thanks for watching. Well, we'll see y'all next time. And remember, if it was easy, everybody would do it.